Break Mitsubishi. My name is Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of the stunning 2017 Mitsubishi Pajero GLS. Now, as you can probably tell, the Pajero hasn't changed much in the last few years, and that is because Mitsubishi has maintained that iconic heritage that they are so proud to display in the Pajeros. Starting off the front, we have got that same front grille, the silver grille with the Mitsubishi badging in the middle, same large headlights and the projector beam in there, which will give you clear visibility. Now in the updated models you do get that daytime running light down there and the fog light down the bottom as well. Just between the headlight and the daytime running lamp you do get your headlight washers, which will clean your headlights if they do get a bit dusty. Condition of this vehicle is really good, even though it is a bit wet. There is hardly anything that really needs to be pointed out in terms of the actual vehicle's condition. That first alloy wheel completely unmarked, and still plenty of tread left in those tires as well. We have got the chrome side mirrors and door handles, and down the bottom you have also got that side step fitted. The windows have been tinted, so it's going to keep your car nice and cool and save you a bit of money down the track if you did want to get it done later. Now, being the GLS, you do get the half leather and cloth seats, and the actual bolsters of those seats are in remarkable condition. Scuff plates and the door trims, where we get lazy and kick the doors open, very minimal wear all along there. Making our way along the side now, the fuel filler cap is on this side of the vehicle, and that next alloy wheel, once again completely unmarked. Making our way along the back of the vehicle now, we've got those nice clear tail lights there, nice and subtle on either side of the vehicle. We've also got that, once again, subtle stoplight up the top there, but it is really high mounted, so it'll give everyone behind you very clear indication when you're braking. We've also got the spoiler up there, the white rear wiper, and that rear wheel with the wheel cover on it as well. Now, if you are planning on towing a trailer, probably recommend getting a rear wheel lift kit just to lift that wheel up a couple hundred mil. Down the bottom you have also got the tow bar fitted and parking sensors all through the tailgate. Opening it up, having a look in the back now, something that tells me the previous owners actually looked after their vehicle is that that rear tray. So it is two parts, so if you did have the seats up, you can have the back part covered as well. And being a Pajero, obviously the rear seats are just under the floor there as well. You've got your genuine Pajero carpet mats in the back too. Closing this back up. Keep making our way along this side now. In this kind of sunlight, the vehicle's condition does actually present really well. Can't fault it even if I'm being picky. And that next alloy wheel, once again completely unmarked. Keep making our way along this side of the vehicle now. As you can probably tell, it does present really well for its age. That next alloy wheel, once again completely unmarked. So what we're going to do now is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Taking a look under the bonnet now, we have the Pajero's iconic four-cylinder 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine. It is the same 5-speed automatic gearbox with the same Super Select four-wheel drive system. The power output is 141 kilowatts with a torque rating of 441 newton meters, so plenty of torque and power there for your towing needs. The diesel fuel tank holds 88 litres, giving you a combined fuel consumption of 9.1 litres per 100 and an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 967 kilometers from a full tank. You look inside the Pajero now. On the driver's side door, you do get your power window controls. Front driver's side is automatic up and down. Above that, you've got your central locking button and the lock button for your windows. Just on the right hand side here, you've got your front and rear fog light controls. You've also got the toggle for your power mirrors and a button that lets you fold them in. On the right hand stalk, you've got your indicators, and being the GLS model, you do also get automatic headlights, so just leave it in auto, the car will decide for itself. The button on the end of the stalk is for your headlight washers. Now on the left hand side, you've got your washer and wiper controls. Now once again, being the GLS, you do get automatic wipers, so just leave it in auto, the car will decide when it needs to use them. Just on the bottom here, you have got your traction control buttons, your parking sonar on and off, and a dial for your electric brake controller. Steering wheel itself, very good leather wrapped, good condition leather wrapped steering wheel with your cruise control settings on the right hand side and all your media controls on the left. You've also got your hands-free call controls just underneath. If we move into the middle quickly, just put it into reverse and show you, you do get a nice rear view camera there where you can see just the bottom of the spare wheel there, so you can actually tell when you are getting close to anything behind you. The because the camera is mounted in the middle, it's really easy to tell that the TOWBAR is dead center on that screen. In terms of your media, it is probably Mitsubishi's best entertainment system so far. You've got AM and FM radio, digital radio, you've also got USB, HDMI inputs, and the best part about it, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which means Google Maps for your navigation when your phone is plugged in. It'll mirror your phone up onto the screen, and you can use whatever media app you usually use for your music. So that is a really good feature. Just down here you've got your climate control. So set the temperature and set it to auto, and the car will decide when what vent it needs to come out of and the best way to regulate the temperature. Just under here we've got a little bit of storage, your rear diff lock, your heated seat controls for the front two seats, and just behind this one here you've got a covered 12-volt socket. The shifter itself, if you bring it down into drive and bump it to the left, you can switch through the gears manually if you need the extra control. Super select four-wheel drive system, so change it between your four-wheel drive modes on the fly up to 100 kilometers an hour. Got a bit of storage back here, two cup holders, a leather-wrapped handbrake, sorry. And that center console, it does actually have a cool feature where you can move it forward if you need the extra elbow support, or lift it up, and you've got two parts to it as well. So plenty of storage in there as well with another 12-volt socket. Now just behind there as well you've got your rear air conditioning controls. Now if we just pan around the interior, you will notice that it is in really good condition. Now if you wanted to know how the seats fold up, please ask us when you come in to see it in person, because the way these Pajeros work is very, very versatile. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on this stunning Pajero. A couple things I would highly recommend is please ask us about the glass coat, because that's going to give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork and protect it for the rest of the life of the vehicle. Keep it looking just as beautiful as it does the day you pick it up. It will also protect it against a variety of environmental damages such as bird droppings, bat droppings, fading, oxidization and more. The other thing is the premium mechanical protection plan. That's going to give you another 5 years of cover on top of your new car warranty. It will protect you for up to 200,000 kilometers on the clock on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. Now, there is more included in that plan, and it is awesome value, so please ask us about it. And if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to talk to you about your finance packages and tailor one to suit your needs, which will work everything in there for you. Now, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call us. But before I go, have a look at our Google reviews. We are sitting on 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews from customers Australia-wide. So it's great assurance that you are dealing with the right people, buying a good quality vehicle, and we like to make the process nice and easy for you. So don't hesitate to call us on 99070555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.